Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off the S Pen Air View preview on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then in here tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen, then tap on Air View. Make sure Air View is turned on if you want to use the preview feature. Now in here, to turn off the preview feature, you can choose pointer only. So that will still allow you to use the S Pen pointer without having to use the previews. Otherwise, you can select previews in pointer to allow you to use the S Pen previews feature. So when you hover over an image, it will give you a preview of the image in a larger size. If you hover your S Pen over a link, it will show a preview of that link web page, for example. Or if you hover your S Pen over a calendar event, it will give you a preview of that calendar event. So if you want to use previews only, you can select previews only, or you can switch off Air View, which will also turn off the pointer as well as your S Pen preview. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.